Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using CloudWorkers. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So in this website, you can work as chat moderator and get as average $20 per hour, and if you're consistent, you can earn up to $40 an hour and more. So as a total, you can earn $400 a week or $800 a week. So what they will expect from you? They will need you to have a PC or laptop with a stable internet connection and the possibility to work as a freelancer, and you will need to be an open-minded person to adult dialogues. What you will expect from them? A fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis, flexible and independent planning of working hours, a long-term mutual beneficial working relationship. And there's more requirements. As you see, you will need to be at least 80 years old, the ability to work 20 hours per week or more, a good spelling and grammars, and the capacity of being excited and stimulated by usual encounters. So how to apply for this job? You need to scroll down all the way here, then write your name, last name, email address, the date of birth, your phone number, and your Skype name. Which language are you applying for? You can write your language here and the times that you are available via telephone. If you have any experience before, click here yes or no. So if that's yes, you can write it in the cover letter here, and here you can write how you did know about them. So here in the cover letter, you can write why they should hire you, and check the accept term boxes and the I'm not robot. Then submit your application, and after you submit your application, you need to wait for them to respond to your application and accept you to work with them. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.